Hello, we are Design Maker. Do you remember the Mac Mini monitor we made last time? I've been using the Mac Mini monitor we created in the previous video very effectively in cafes and outdoor spaces. Today, I am planning to take the Mac Mini monitor and visit a cafe. We will provide subscribers who wish to use their Mac Mini portably with the necessary information on the components needed for monitor production and the 3D print data based on the Mac Mini monitor produced so far, and offer them for free for a limited time so that they can print and create the monitor themselves. I've been carrying around the Mac Mini monitor and visiting many places. Unlike a laptop, it was often inconvenient to always carry a keyboard with me. So this time, I'm going to create a new version that includes a keyboard as well. You can also use it as a dual monitor with an iPad. Shall we go and check out the new Mac Mini monitor? First, let's extract the components needed to create the new Mac Mini portable monitor from the existing Mac Mini monitor. The existing product was made using CNC machining for prototype testing. For this shared project, we have made it so that all components, excluding electronic parts and the mini keyboard, can be printed using a 3D printer. We used an 8.9-inch IPS LCD monitor with a 16:10 screen for the display. For the cable, we used a product with a 90-degree angled connector for a neat connection with the Mac Mini. Now, let's use the separated components to create a Mac Mini portable monitor that can accommodate a keyboard.
I can tell, pretty in my eyes, so I'm first in line to put my smile up for sale. A midnight in Venice Beach, like a meet and greet, so fine. I guess I don't tell, so why don't you just come with me, baby, down the street, or where the music's louder, where your mind won't follow. I can see us three, Mary Jane and me.
Completed. Shall we connect it and give it a try? Unlike the previous video, the keyboard section has been conveniently improved. Attach the keyboard to the Mac Mini. Once you turn on the power, it should connect. I'll show you how to use it as a dual monitor with an iPad. I hope this dual monitor setup makes your viewing experience more comfortable. In the next video, we will show you a final version of the Mac Mini DIY, which will include a battery so that it can be used like a laptop without a power source. Please subscribe and hit the like button to support us in creating more fun and practical DIY videos. Thank you.